Imagine diving into the fascinating world where psychology meets biology, and our thoughts and feelings leave tiny footprints on our genes. That's the story of epigenetic modifications. These are chemical tweaks, like DNA methylation or histone deacetylase activity, that don't change the genetic code itself but influence how genes are expressed. They're like sticky notes on your DNA, saying, read this louder or whisper this one. And when life throws stressful situations our way, these notes can pile up, shaping our resilience and even our psychosomatic responses. Psychotherapy isn't just about talking through problems, it can actually spark epigenetic change. Studies show psychological treatments can alter epigenetic signatures in genes linked to neurotransmission, inflammation, and stress regulation. For example, hypermethylation in certain regions might quiet down inflammation genes, while changes in glucocorticoid receptors can recalibrate the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis and stress command center in the brain. So yes, therapy can literally rewrite the way your body responds to stress. Neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, enzymes like monoamine oxidase, and growth factors such as brain-derived neurotropic factors, vascular endothelial growth factor, and insulin-like growth factor, all play starring roles in neuroplasticity. That's the brain's ability to adapt, strengthen neuronal connection, and even grow new neurons in place, like the dentate gyrus, long-term potentiation. The process that marks synapses stronger with repeated use is the brain's way of saying, practice makes permanent. And when psychotherapy helps boost neurochemical balance, it's like giving your brain a workout routine for resilience. Chronic stress, on the other hand, can shrink orbital frontal volumes, cause dendritic atrophy, and disrupt functional networks across the prefrontal, parietal, and temporal cortex. It can even affect subcortical structures like the basal ganglia, amygdala, and left anterior hippocampus. But here's the uplifting part. Psychodynamic therapy and coping skills can help restore balance, bolstering other receptors and strengthening the sense of coherence. Those three pillars of comprehensibility, manageability, and meaningfulness. When life feels understandable, manageable, and meaningful, the brain's stress circuits calm down and resilience grows. Epigenetic regulation also touches circadian rhythms with players like cytochrome circadian regulator and cytochrome circadian regulator, keeping our internal clocks ticking. Zooming out, psychotherapy doesn't just change how we think, it reshapes brain structures. Cortical thickness in prefrontal cortex, including the medial prefrontal cortex, and regulation is subgenual cingulate, all shift with treatment. So in this lighthearted journey, we see that our minds and bodies are in constant conversation. Stress scribbles notes on our DNA, psychotherapy erases it and rewrites it. We're not just feeling better, we're tuning the symphony of our genes, our brain structures, and our functional networks to play in harmony.